Welcome to another video tutorial by Fluvid. In this video we will learn how to make your videos password protected inside the Fluvid dashboard. So in case you have any confidential information or anything sensitive, then definitely you will make it password protected. So to implement it, let's just go inside the Fluvid dashboard. So here we are. Now these are the videos created using the Fluvid's Chrome extension. Now suppose I want to make this video password protected. So in this case, I'll open the video. Let's click here. So as of now, the video is public and this is the video URL. Now in case I want to make it password protected, in that case I have to click on this option on the right and limited access. After clicking on this option, you can see this option add password. Click here. Now the password should be minimum 4 characters. So let's just add a password and then confirm password and save. So it's done. You can see this notification password added. So now this video is password protected. So I can share the access of this video with anyone, but they can only access it if they have the link along with the password. So suppose you can see this option, copy shareable link. Now let me demonstrate it. Suppose I open this in incognito mode. So let me just show you in another window. So let's just paste the link and yes, enter. So you can see the video has opened and now it's asking for password. So now let me just type the password and unblock. So it's clear, only people who have the link along with the password can access this video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.